Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I'm so happy you came to see what we're doing today. I am joining in with Denise Jordan's challenge for a Kitchen Vignette Challenge Winter 2021. It's a very easy challenge. The rules are you need to have a tray, floral, something with words, and something that shows winter. And of course, you want to put a mug of coffee, hot cocoa, or something warm to warm your body in the middle of winter. Well, let's see what Grandma did with hers. Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I don't want to confuse you, but this is how this area is looking right at this minute. I am joining in with Denise Jordan. She's doing a Kitchen Vignette Challenge for Winter 2021. This is the first one for the year for her, and I'm going to join in. She's an awesome creator, and if you are not following Denise, please go over and check her channel out after you watch this video. Okay, this is what it looked like. Now, I'm going to clean this whole area and start over. I know it looks nice, but wait until I get done and see what I come up with. Well, I've got the whole area cleaned out, and as you can see, it's not a very large area, but we're going to make it look awesome again. This is going to be also nothing new in this. I'm going to shop my own stash and make a free kitchen vignette in this corner without spending one penny. Watch what I do. The rules for this vignette that Denise Jordan put up were pretty simple. A tray, as you can see, I have one right here. It had to have florals, as you can see, florals all about. I still need to arrange. Then words, and because I was not going to spend one penny for anything for this kitchen vignette for winter 2021, I went and got out this recipe holder that came from my sister-in-law's home. When she passed away, I brought it to my home to make sure it wouldn't get lost, that this keepsake would still be passed down. And I pulled out one of the recipes. That way I would have words for my tray. And of course, we need to have something that will warm the body for winter. Well, I have different varieties of hot tea and hot chocolate. And back here, a little snack. Well, we will see what else I find. Now, also, didn't want to spend any money, and these are from my granddaughter. Bought these for me quite a few years ago. I have used them in past posts, so they are not new either. And these Christmas bulbs look like balls of snow. So I'm going to arrange them for they will look like snowballs on my tray. This beautiful teapot is not new. It's been used in multiple posts too. So Grandma went out and she shopped her house. You do not have to go out and constantly spend money except if you want to. Oh, almost forgot. The little pitcher with the milk. I've probably had that probably 15, 20 years. That isn't new either. So nothing here is new. Let's see how I can arrange it to make it look nice. Denise, I hope you appreciate I am doing a kitchen vignette winter 2021 without spending one penny. One penny. Nothing here is new. I am using everything I have already by shopping the house. Oh my gosh, I love doing free posts. And here it is. Let's see how it looks when I'm done. Well, these are the three teas that I chose to put out to warm up this nice chilly early winter mornings. Gotta get a little bit of spicy dragon red chai Does that not seem like that would warm you up? A little bit of dragon in our lives? And the sweet, spicy herb tea is great also. And it doesn't need any sugar. It naturally is sweet, the natural way. That's why I always have it in my home. And of course, you know I love chai tea. So here's another version of chai tea. Well, I hope you enjoyed these 3 different teas that I'm using. I'm all done putting this together now. This is Denise Jordan's challenge to us to make a beautiful winter vignette. Well, this is my winter vignette, and I didn't spend a penny. I shopped my home and found everything already here. This was a free post, and for free I thought it turned out pretty nice. Now this is a very small area, and this is a very small tray, but I was very happy how it turned out. This little display is so pretty for winter, don't you think? I had these Christmas balls left over, and they look like snowballs, so I thought they'd be great for winter. And I had all these beautiful florals also left over from Christmas. And these beautiful, I've had them, I don't know, 3-4 years. They're not new. And the same with all these. These are probably 3-4 years old also. So I thought they all look like they have ice and snow on them. Oh, I just thought it looked so pretty for winter. So that is my tray and my teapot and my plates for we can grab a little snack or a treat, and of course grab something to have a hot drink to warm up. Now here to the side I have my tea, where I keep my tea. It's small, but it keeps everything very well organized, and I've had that probably, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years. None of this stuff is new. And the same with the pitcher. It's probably at least 15 or 20 years old also. This is where I keep the hot chocolate. It keeps it organized, and a little room left for a little snack for Grandma. Oh my gosh, is that not the cutest little thing? It just doesn't take any space at all, and you have everything you need right here. Over here, she said we needed to have words, and this recipe box was my sister-in-law that passed away years ago, and I brought it home to my home because to me it's a keepsake. And this is one of the recipes that was in it, and that's where the words came from. I thought it was an awesome one to pull out and share what she had. So well organized, not like me. And then of course, you can tell this is not new. It has been well used and loved. And of course, some marshmallows to put up, put on our hot chocolate if you'd like. Well, please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about my winter vignette. I couldn't wait to try to use those fairy plates and fairy cups. They haven't been out in quite a while, and they're one of my favorite things that my granddaughter bought me. My family all know how much I love fairies, and at one time my channel was mostly all fairies. So I do have a lot of fairy accessories that I will be bringing out more this year to share with you. And we don't forget, in June we do 30 fairy gardens in June. So Grandma's going to have to hurry up and get her yard looking good, because right now it looks terrible. Well, I hope you enjoyed this post. Please leave me a comment and tell me what was your favorite thing on this vignette. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. Love you all. You mean the world to me.